Hello everybody, welcome to chapter 3 and the title of chapter 3 we know what to do. Ya anak-anak semuanya, kita sampai di bab 3 sekarang dengan judul We Know What to Do. On chapter 3 we will learn to give suggestion and to state rules and obligation. Dalam bab 3 ini kita akan mempelajari to give suggestion, memberikan saran, and to state rule, menyatakan aturan, and obligation, keharusan di sini. Sekarang pertemuan ini kita cuma membahas to give suggestion. Next, and to give suggestion, here we can use should and should not or shouldn't. Dalam memberikan saran kepada seseorang, kita bisa menggunakan should ataupun should not atau shouldn't. Jika kita memberikan saran dengan menggunakan should, itu saran yang boleh dilakukan, dan should not saran yang tidak boleh dilakukan atau melarang. As an example, seperti contoh from the book page 34. Everybody, please listen to me and I will read this example and all of you must listen. Some example use the word should. We will use more English now. You should greet me and your friends in English. You should ask question in English. You should answer question in English. You should take leave in English too. But don't worry. When you need, I'll help you. Nah, di sini kalimat suggestion atau advice itu menggunakan should. Jadi sarannya ini positif yang harus dilakukan. Next, some sentences here use should not or shouldn't. And look at your book or this presentation and I'll read for you. I'm sure you are all ready to use English with me and your friend. You should not be ashamed to use English with me. You should not be ashamed to speak and write to each other in English. You should be sure that you can do it, because I'll always help you. And the example, you should listen to more English songs. You should sing more English songs. More importantly, you should understand the lyric. You should read more stories from around Indonesia and the world in English. I'm sure you can if you try harder. Nah, itu ada beberapa contoh suggestion atau advice seperti yang ada di buku. And to give suggestion and to ask suggestion to others, you can use some expression like some expression of asking for suggestion. Do you have any suggestion for me? Apakah Anda punya saran untuk saya? Will you give me some suggestion? Maukah kamu memberikan saya beberapa saran? Can you tell me what I should do? What do you recommend? What should I do? Please tell me what should I do? Any idea? I have a problem. I need your advice. If you were me, what would you do? Please tell me what to do. Nah, itu beberapa ungkapan yang gunanya untuk meminta saran kepada orang lain. And now I give you the way how to give suggestion to others. Here is giving suggestion. In the giving suggestion expression, I give you like I suggest that. Misalnya si A asking for suggestion. Do you have any suggestion for me? And you give the suggestion, you use I suggest you that. Misalnya, teman Anda bingung. Your friend is confused whether your friend go home or no. And your friend asking for suggestion. Do you have any suggestion for me? And you give the suggestion, I suggest that you should go home. Itu contohnya. And giving suggestion, expression like I suggest to you, I think you should, you'd better, atau you should better, why don't you, if I were you, don't you think it would be a good idea too? I advise you to. It's better for you. And others, or etc. Dan yang lainnya. Itu ungkapan-ungkapan dalam memberikan saran. And then now, accepting suggestion. Menerima saran dari seseorang. You can say, thanks, I'll do it. That sounds like a good idea. Thanks, it's a good suggestion. I think you are right. Why didn't I think of that? Dan yang lainnya, etc. And if you want to refuse, menolak saran dari seseorang, you can use refusing suggestion like, what's a bad idea? Itu caranya agak kurang sopan. What's a bad idea? No, I don't. It's not a good idea. Itu lebih sopan. I don't feel like it. I don't think so. No, I would rather not. Atau no, I should rather not. Etc. Dan yang lainnya. Banyak lagi, silakan Anda cari. I give you the situation and how to ask the suggestion or asking suggestion and the suggestion. Ini yang menjadi perhatian Anda sebab nanti ada situasi Anda mencari asking suggestion-nya dan suggestion. Situation like this. We have 2 tests tomorrow, English and IPS. Itu situasinya. Kita punya 2 tes besok, bahasa Inggris dan IPS. Bagaimana cara Anda meminta saran dari seseorang? Misalnya, for example, can you tell me what I should do? Can you tell me what I should do? Saran teman Anda, you should not play the games. You should study for the test. Itu Anda buat 2 kalimat. 1 asking suggestion. 2 suggestion-nya dari situasi seperti ini. Ya, dari situasi nomor 3 sampai 12. Silahkan cari asking suggestion-nya. Cari suggestion-nya. Buat di buku tulis atau buku latihan, difoto, dan upload ke kantong tugas yang nanti Bapak siapkan. Okay, thank you for now. And hopefully, all of you are very happy, healthy, and always blessed by the God. Goodbye.